Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with QuickBooks Online for AI bookkeeping automation easy tutorial. To get started with QuickBooks Online for AI bookkeeping automation, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in QuickBooks Online and hit enter. Once the home page loads, look for the Sign Up or Start Free Trial button. Click on that button to begin the registration process. You will be redirected to a page where you can choose your plan. Select the plan that best suits your business needs. After selecting a plan, click on the Sign Up button. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to use a valid email that you have access to. Next, create a secure password for your QuickBooks account. Once your email and password are set, click on the Create Account button. You may receive a confirmation email from QuickBooks to verify your email address. Check your inbox for this email and follow the link to verify your account. Now, return to the QuickBooks Online page. Log in using your newly created credentials. Upon logging in, you will be asked a series of questions about your business. Provide the necessary information, such as your business name, type, and address. Next, input your industry type to help QuickBooks tailor your experience. Once you've completed the setup questions, you may be prompted to link your bank account. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your bank for easier transaction tracking. Choose the bank institution and enter your login credentials securely. After connecting your bank account, QuickBooks will access your financial information automatically. You can now explore the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the features available for AI bookkeeping automation. Customize your settings to automate tasks like invoicing and expense tracking. Remember to regularly check for new updates or features to enhance your experience. Your QuickBooks Online account is now set up and ready for automation. Congratulations on taking the first step towards efficient bookkeeping. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.